Welcome to Bohol, Philippines, home to the world-famous chocolate hills. This surreal landscape is a natural wonder made up of hundreds of dome-shaped hills that draw travelers and scientists alike with their beauty and mystery. Spread across over 50 square kilometers, these hills look like giant chocolate mounds during the dry season when the grass turns brown, giving them their sweet-sounding name, the Chocolate Hills. There are officially over 1,200 hills, but some surveys report as many as 1,776. Each hill rises between 30 to 50 meters high, and their near-uniform shape has baffled observers for generations. These hills were formed over millions of years, made of marine limestone and covered in grass. They're the result of rainwater erosion, uplift, and time. Nature's sculpting tools at work. Despite their name, the Chocolate Hills aren't made of chocolate. The brown color is just sun-scorched grass in the dry season, creating a sweet illusion that has become a world-famous attraction. Local legends say two giants once fought, hurling stones and earth at each other. When they made peace, they left the mess behind, now the Chocolate Hills. A myth, but a fun one to imagine. Another story tells of Orogo, a giant who cried for days after losing his true love. His massive teardrops dried and formed the hills. A tale of heartbreak turned into a stunning landscape. Science says the hills were once ancient coral reefs. Tectonic shifts pushed them above sea level, and erosion from rain and rivers carved their unique dome-like shapes over millennia. The best place to see the Chocolate Hills is the viewing deck at the Chocolate Hills complex in Carmen. From here, you'll witness wave after wave of symmetrical hills rolling across the horizon. Looking for a quieter spot? Sagbayan Peak offers a more peaceful alternative to the main viewing deck, with sweeping views and fewer crowds, perfect for capturing serene moments and scenic photos. In 1988, the Chocolate Hills were declared a National Geological Monument, recognizing them as a rare and valuable natural formation, deserving preservation and global recognition. During the wet season, the hills transform into vibrant green mounds, showing a completely different side of their beauty. It's nature's way of dressing them up for a lush, tropical display. What's truly fascinating is their uniformity. Most of the hills are the same shape and size, like nature used a mold. This odd symmetry adds to their scientific and aesthetic appeal. The Chocolate Hills region supports a wide range of life. You'll find butterflies, birds, and native plants thriving around the hills, adding ecological value to their visual charm. These iconic hills are more than just tourist spots. They become the symbol of Bohol, appearing on the province's official seal and flag, showing their deep cultural and local importance. Whether you believe the legends or the science, one thing's for sure, the Chocolate Hills are a must-see. Their magical appearance leaves a lasting impression on every traveler who visits.